Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So today OPPO announces OPPO F7 in India, and in this video I'm going to do a quick hands-on overview of OPPO F7. So let's begin. So first of all, let's talk about the design. They announces 3 colors of OPPO F7: Solar Red, Moonlight Silver and Special Diamond Black edition. On front, it has very familiar yet refreshing notch design with very less amount of bezels on 6.2 inches of Full HD plus resolution screen, which is quite good in my opinion. In that notch, it got some sensors and 25 megapixel, yes 25 megapixel front camera with real-time HDR and some AI built-in technology for making you more beautiful. And they have talked a lot about the selfie camera in the event, and these are some of the samples from the front-facing camera of OPPO F7. By the way, these 3 cricketers was also there at the event, which is cool in my opinion. Moving to the back, we got 16 megapixel rear camera with the aperture of f1.8 with LED flash, fingerprint scanner and OPPO logo. The back is built with glass, so it looks cool, but it is prone to scratches, fingerprints and cracks. The sides are built with polycarbonate material, which is very disappointing in my opinion. By the way, on the right side, we got the power button and SIM slot. On the left side, we got the volume rockers. On the bottom, we got speaker grills, sadly micro USB port, primary microphone and headphone jack. On the top, we got only secondary noise cancellation microphone hole. Moving to the internals, it is powered by MediaTek Helio P60 chip, which looks quite promising with Mali G72 GPU. I didn't get the enough time to test the smartphone, but as of now, UI feels very fluid. Let's see how it holds up. And it has 3400 mAh battery too. By the way, I'm going to review this phone if I get the unit, so stay tuned for that. In terms of software, they gives us Color OS 5.0 on top of Android Oreo 8.1, which is very nice. And we got the face unlock too. So guys, talking about the pricing, it has 2 variant, 4GB RAM with 64GB internal, which cost 21,990 rupees, and 6GB RAM with 128GB internals, which cost 26,990 rupees, which is not cheap or budget friendly by any means. By the way, it will be available from 9th April. As of my first impression, it looks pretty dope in terms of design, and when it comes to cameras, it is very impressive too. If you want to see in-depth camera review, just hit that subscribe button with the bell notification icon. So guys, in some days, when I got the device in my hand, I will make a dedicated review for the camera, gaming and all. So stay tuned for that. So that's all in this video guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And yeah, please share this video with your friends who want to buy this phone or who want to buy any phone under this price range. And please subscribe this channel if you haven't already. And hit that bell notification icon too, so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.